Good morning, everyone. Today we will read the chapter number 4 of your EVS book, Term Pack 1. The title of this chapter is The Earth, Our Home. The Earth, Our Home. Let's start. The Earth is a wonderful place. Earth is a wonderful place. Where we live on Earth, or this is a wonderful place. It is home to people, plants, and animals. It is home of people, plants, and animals. We all are living on the earth. So, this is our home. What does the earth look like? What does the earth look like? And what makes it so beautiful? The earth is not flat but round. It is not a flat like a plate. It is round like a ball. It has land, water, and air. It has land. The earth is made of land, water, and air. Water covers most of it. Earth is covered almost with water. The part not covered by water are land. Which part is not covered by water? That part is land. All around the earth there is air. All around the earth is full of air. So earth is made land, water, and air. Land. The land looks different in different places. The land looks different in different places. If you want to go in hill station, there is a land is rise up. In your area, this is the area, land is flat. So this is the plain area. In some places it is flat. These places are called plains. Where the land is flat, like our area, where the land is flat, it is called plain. So we are living in a plain area. And some places that the land is rise high, like hill stations. These places are called hills. And very high hills are called mountains. Some places the land is rise high. These places are called hills. And when the hills are very high, these are called mountains. These are called mountains. Next page. The land in some places is covered with trees. Some places the land is covered with many trees. Such places are called forest. Such places are called forest. Some parts of the land are covered with rock and sand and have no trees. In which places there is no trees and land is covered with rocks and sands, these places are called desert. These places are called desert. Like Rajasthan. Do you know an animals that live in desert? Do you know which animals live in desert? Camel. Camel is a sheep of the desert. It can live without water long time. Water. The large area of earth are covered by oceans and seas. The large area, or because the earth is covered almost part with water. So, the large area of the earth is covered by oceans and seas. These are full of salty water. these are full of salty water. We cannot drink salty water because it's too much salty. We cannot drink oceans and seas water. Both oceans and seas are big. Oceans and seas also both are big, but oceans are bigger than seas. Oceans are bigger than seas. A lake is a large pool of water. Lake is a pool of large water. It has land all around. Some lakes are called ponds. Some lakes are called ponds. River flow over land. Rivers flow over land. The water in the river is not salty. There are like seas and oceans water salty, but river water is not salty. We drink river water because it is not salty, so we can drink water of river. We must keep our rivers clean. We must keep our rivers clean. Air. There is air all around the earth. There is air all around the earth. Living things need air to breathe. All living things breathing. When they breathing, or we are also breathing when we breathe air in inhale and exhale. That's why we are living. We cannot see air, but we can feel it when it's move. You can see air? No, we cannot see air, but you can feel air when it's move. Moving air is called wind. What will we call a moving air? Wind. The earth is our home. Earth, because we are living here, so earth is our home. We must take care of it. We always take care of it. Don't throw garbage here and there. We must clean all our area and our earth also. So chapter is finished now. You have to read this chapter 2 or 3 times and you can understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.